Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 9.1. A random variable x has the following distribution where k is some number. So they have defined p of x is equal to k if x is equal to 0, it's 2k if x is equal to 1 and 3k if x is equal to 0. It's declared 0 otherwise. See, till the last problems the distribution was given as a table. Here they have listed it like that. Only difference is that. So what we know, sum of p of x should be equal to 1. So summation of p of x is equal to 1 means I'm going to add up all these values. So k plus 2k plus 3k should be equal to 1. Adding 0 doesn't make any sense. So we have to add just all this. So 6k is equal to 1, which means k value is going to be equal to 1 by 6. So that answers the first subdivision. Now they are asking you what is the probability of x less than 2. So less than 2 means it includes only x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So let's add up only these two parts. So this is k plus 2k which is equal to 3k, or 3 into 1 by 6, so which is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of x less than 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's calculate what is probability of x less than or equal to 2. So here I have to include x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. We just know that all the sum of all these probability is equal to 1. So directly we can write that probability of x less than or equal to 2 is equal to 1. Now let's take up the last case, which is probability of x greater than or equal to 2. So if I have to say greater than or equal to 2, only this case is there, because the other case it is going to be 0. So this is nothing but 3k. So this is 3k which is nothing but 3 into 1 by 6. So it is again 1 by 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.